ready when you are.
All right. Ready when we're ready? All right, guys, we all set? All right, I'm gonna lead the way or what have you, and you guys just follow my lead. I try my best to keep you safe. Yep. So, all right, 3, 2, 1. We off to the race. All right, gang. The rest of the gang, they back there. STONECREST Fest, baby. Of course, I had to bring out the gear. What I'm wearing is actively black. Socks, pants, shirt, shoes. Left the slides in the truck. And yeah, so we're gonna represent. Here we are, man. Like I say, we're gonna do 4 to 5 miles out here during STONECREST Fest. Yeah. Come on. All right. All right, guys, we should be at like 2 miles or what have you, so we get to chill out right here and wait for the rest of the gang. Yeah. Oh yeah. So like 2 miles in. Oh yeah. Where's the water fountain? Oh yeah, early morning, man. Saturday morning.
Take one together. Let me get another one. Y'all ready? Yeah.
Oh, they got a water station. Serious, go and grab us some water. Water stop. You said a water fountain, huh? Oh, there you are. We couldn't find you anywhere. I'm like, Zah going slow, man. I'm like, I thought she was on road with us. Zah, there's some water over there. Go and get your water, Zah. You can go and get you a water.
Like the Caribbean beach. Oh, it's so cool.
We made it. We made it. Oh, here I come. Bikes. Yes, sir. Woo-hoo! All right, right, so yeah, we made it. Create memories, man. Create memories. I got a couple more years, man. They'll be graduating and starting their own life, man. Trash can right there.
Come over here. If you got your shoes on, you need to be standing by the girl. And out of the face.
Boop. Don't let it hit you. Oh, it ain't meant for me to have a 360. Don't let it hit you. Pop, pop. All right, this is the last try.
All right, just take them off and hang it back on the easel. Come around.
All right.
Back around for you.
I'm about to say we don't
Say we ain't leaving the mess. Look, paint is everywhere. We ain't leaving no mess. Hey, look, if you ain't leaving no mess, look, you ain't have no fun. I'm telling you. I get what y'all saying though. Hey, I appreciate it. Salute, serious. You got a salute. Salute sign. Yeah. One more salute. Hey.
Gonna come back around. Hey. By the way.
She got it right there.
All right. All right. Yeah. She got it.
All of the legends. Jimi Hendrix. Tell me about it. They got all of the big guys on here. Wow.
And it's in black and white.
It's in black and white. PRIVI STONECREST, guys. A lot of legends right here. Oh, wow. I can get Peanut Big Head out the way.